Alright, we're going to tear into this transmission off of the bottom of a Toro Power Shift 824 snowblower. Let's see what we get.
Yeah. That way if you change your mind, you want to show it, you can. Gasket there.
There's probably a bearing in there.
Not fluid, I mean, jump
Pretty nasty. It's pretty rusty right there.
Yeah, that's why the grease looks bad first. Grease.
The gears look okay. And this is what's rusted up. This won't move.
Can you pull it straight out?
We'll have to open that up. This is in the way.
Is it? We don't have a full out. You need a bigger flathead.
Push this pin out.
You want punch?
There we go. Okay, turn it back over. Now it's going to come out.
Partially grease again.
Clean off that rust.
Get all the honey grease in.
Yeah.
You may warm up the sauna. You don't warm up the sauna thing?
Let's get this one out too, and then we'll clean it all up. But shut the camera off. There's another pin right here. Right? That's right. Alright, so we're going to clean this up. Clean up all this nastiness. Clean off some rust. And put it back together.